Hey guys, it's Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Not today, but a question that we get asked all the time is, hey, can I walk my dog on the beach? Can I bring my dog to North Myrtle Beach, walk it there, or Surfside Beach? So in this episode, we're going to go over the rules and regulations so you guys can know what they are and stay safe. Sounds good? Give me a thumbs up. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and then the bell so you'll get notified when a new video comes out, because we have new videos that come out every single week. We cover the things to avoid, things that are going to keep you safe, things to look for, and that covers Myrtle Beach, the entire Grand Strand, whether you're looking to move here or vacation here. We've got a lot of new videos that are very interesting and going to help you out. So can I walk my dog on the beach in Myrtle Beach? The answer is yes, at certain times of the year. You know, if you rented a condo on the beach, not all condos are pet friendly. I'm going to put a link in a video below that covers pet friendly condos, because that's a question that we get asked a lot, whether you want to buy one or even if you're going to rent a place. So the rules and regulations are different at different times of the year. So May 1st through Labor Day, in Myrtle Beach, you can walk your dog on the beach from 5 p.m. to 10 a.m., okay? Got to be on a leash. Got to make sure you got the dog on a leash. But the rest of the year, the rules are a little bit different, and they're permitted on the beach any time of the day, so you can come out with your day. But you just want to make sure you do want to make sure that you do have your dog on a leash, and you want to make sure that you're picking up after your dog. Obviously, nobody wants to walk around a landmine or anything, right? So there are dispensers across the Grand Strand here. I'm on the boardwalk today, and I'm actually over by the Ferris wheel. If you guys recognize this area, I think some of you will. But anyway, so you want to put your waste in the receptacles that are designated for that, and that's one in Myrtle Beach. Now, you want to enjoy your pets. Obviously, there's a lot of pet dog parks here. I have another episode, if you've already seen that one, about dog parks and where to go. Lots of pet friendly. The Market Common here, if you haven't been there, very pet friendly. They have dog bowls, even out water bowls, and biscuits and bones and that sort of thing for your dog if you do go to the Market Common. So in Surfside Beach, here's Surfside Beach. Dogs are not allowed on the beach in Surfside Beach between May 15th and September 15th, okay? They're not allowed on the beach, so don't bring your dog on the beach. Don't want to get you in any trubs. Give me a thumbs up if you don't want to be in any trouble, because I don't want you to be. But in North Myrtle Beach, by the way, at the rest of the year in Surfside, a dog can be on the beach. And in North Myrtle Beach, dogs are allowed on the beach from 5 to 8 p.m., 8 a.m., 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. Excuse me, I can't talk. May 15th through September 15th, okay? So that's North Myrtle Beach, 5 p.m. to 8 a.m., May 15th through September 15th. Dogs are allowed on the beach. They must be leashed, obviously, in all these places. You gotta have your control of your dog. And in Horry County, if you're staying outside the city limits, which some people do, you're subject to the rules of the county, so you can go ahead and check those out. But again, it's make sure you're staying safe and ahead of it. Dogs aren't allowed on the beach in Horry County if it's outside the Myrtle Beach area, like further south, towards Pawleys Island area. Dogs are not allowed on the beach from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. June 1st through September 1st. Why? It's less crowded in those areas of the beach. But they must be on a leash and under control from their owners at all times. And this is true of any place you go on the beach here. So as you can see, not a whole lot of people on the beach today. Whether you come here in the winter, whether you come in the summer, the spring, or the fall, there's different crowds on the beach. You'll see that I have a little jacket on, and right now I'm in the winter months. I consider this to be a chilly 54 degrees today. It is overcast, and most days it is sunny, but just want you to know these rules and regulations. And so if you guys did like this, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you thought. And if you haven't done so already, do me a huge favor. If you know anybody who's looking to buy or sell real estate here on the Grand Strand, anywhere up and down from North Carolina all the way down to Pawleys Island, my team and I, we cover that, and we are the most trusted agents on the beach. And if you haven't watched our videos before, go ahead and watch these, because again, a lot of these are very helpful if you're looking to move or even just visit and see what to do and what not to do. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. It's Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts. And wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next episode, guys. Take care.